Hey guys, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. iOS 26 public beta is just around the corner. And yes, that means we're finally getting a more stable version of iOS 26 with fewer bugs and better performance. Liquid glass, new AI tech, all those new features. If you're wondering how to get your hands on it, don't worry, I've got you covered. You now need to head over to developer.apple.com. Then scroll to find the iOS 26 section. Next, tap Sign in the upper left corner and log in with your Apple ID. Once you're signed in, you'll gain access to the beta software program. Now grab your iPhone, open the Settings app, go to General, Software Update, then tap on Beta Updates. And here, you'll see the option for iOS 26 Public Beta. Once it's officially available, if you're having trouble updating the public beta, you can use Reboot to update to the official iOS 26 public beta. And that's it. Super simple, right? Let me know in the comments. Are you updating right away or waiting for the final release? If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more iOS 26 tips and updates. Catch you in the next one.